So beware. Say, let's shoot him right out of the air. I can put him on icing myself. And we free veggies won't be so good for his health. Let's just smash him or whack him with a trowel. Ah! We could thrash him and then pour his insides out. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him die. We're gonna kill off Cuphead with a big goodbye. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him pay. His debt to the devil is coming due today. I'll see that his life is cut short. While I call the cops come be support. Why not give him the ride of his life? The stroke of a briar as sharp as a knife. Let's use science and arm ourselves for war. Sky high violence is what Cuphead has in store. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him die. This is make him fish food, and then we'll make him fry. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him pay. His debt to the devil is coming due today. One shift of the stars and the tide is sure to turn. Too bad Cuphead's about to lose big. Free heads will haunt until Cuphead feels the burn. For the rest of his headlining gig. They call me King Dice, so that's who I am. A royal pain's diabolical plan to close on the conscience a sucker or two. So come on, Cuphead Kid, I'm talking to you. Come shake my hand. We got a deal? Good, cause now it gets real. You agreed to my game and you lost. You accepted the odds, now you'll cough up the cost. Don't screw with me, kid, or I swear I'll take my teeth from your skull like cheap China ware. Scare him, scorch him, let's liquefy his brains. Seize him, torch him, and then bury his remains. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him die. It's his final curtain, and the end is nigh. We're gonna kill off Cuphead. We're gonna make him pay. His debt to the devil is coming due today. It's coming due today. It's coming due today. It's coming due today. It's coming due today.
And they all lived happily ever after.